Good day, ma'am. In this video, we will tackle the Bill of Rights Section 7. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, as well as to the government research data used as basis for policy development, shall be afforded the citizen, subject to such limitations as well by the provided by law. Freedom to information refers to the right of the people to information on matters of public concern. It is the right of the people to access official records, documents, and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, as well as the government research data used as basis for policy development. This includes the public rights to know the public officials and employees' assets, liabilities, and net worths, and financial business interests. This section only says that the right of the people should be recognized and known about matters relating on it. The knowledge of official records, documents, and papers concerning official activities, transactions, or decision, as well of the government research data on which development policies based shall be provided to the citizen under the law. The rules on access information about the Supreme Court guarantees one privilege: either obtain a copy, receive the information, or gain insight to all information and records or portion of those records in the official custody, possession, and control of offices in the Supreme Court. Like all other rights, the right to know is not an absolute right. Excluded are those non-disclosable information protected by laws, rules, or resolution of the Supreme Court. In other words, people have the right to access, read, and study government documents belonging to the public under this right. This right is only available to the Filipino residents, but it can be used by foreigners if necessary during the hearing of the case. Freedom to information is important for the following reasons. It is proof of the existence of democracy in a country. It can encourage people to intervene and get involved in the politics. It can maintain the proper use of government coffers, and theory freedom to information will also help prevent corruption, and ultimately, it will result in high trust of citizens in their leader. However, not all information can be disclosed by the government because it is sensitive, such as income tax returns, armed forces records, and other relevant information.
Next, information, documentation, or record known by reason of official capacity and are deemed as confidential, including those submitted or disclosed by entities, the government agencies, tribunal, board, or officer in relation to the performance of their functions, or the inquiries or investigation conducted by them in the exercise of their administrative, regulatory, or quasi-judicial power. All information, document, records are very confidential na bawal i-share sa public. Next, free judicial premature disclosure. It is a paragraph or statement na nagpapatunay na totoo ang mga sinasabi mo. For example, nagbebenta ka ng property mo, syempre you need to show the documents sa taong pagbebentahan mo. Next is the records of proceeding or information from proceeding which pursuant to law or relevant rules and regulations are treated as confidential privilege. Ito yung mga information, documents na may kaugnayan sa batas na very confidential, but under the Data Privacy Act, na kung saan pwede kang magbigay ng private information or to practice your against self-incrimination.
Kahit meron tayong freedom of information, freedom to information, meron pa ring limitation para yung iba hindi natin ma-access yung information. Sinabi dito, for instances, access to information will be denied if the request is made by whose identified is fictitious or not legitimate. Yung peki yung pagpapakilala nung nagre-request ng information. Number 2, yung prompted by sheer idle curiosity, yung pointless yung pagka-curiosity niya dun sa information, yung wala naman siya magagawa pero yun. Tapos number 3, made with plain discernible improper motives, yung kinukuha niya yung information para may gawin siyang masama, ganun.